Hey, welcome back to Chez La Vie. So this week we are picking back up on air conditioning. Quelle surprise! But you may remember we ran a lot of new hoses, and last week we took out the old manifold and pump for the second AC system and put in a new manifold and pump for the second AC system. And now this week Jim will be here later in the episode to put in the hoses, and we're going to get rid of all these old rusty corroded valves that were of a concern to everybody that looked at the system. A lot of great boats to look at, a lot of interesting work to be done, and maybe even a little humor this time. So stick around and thanks for joining. It's another beautiful day on the river. I'm starting to feel like Mr. Rogers. It's another beautiful day in the neighborhood. But truly, in the mornings and Fort Lauderdale in the summertime, it really is beautiful. It will always rain in the afternoon, but the mornings are gorgeous. And of course, the boat traffic, can't beat that with a stick. But this morning, Jay and I are going to tackle the galley. We're going to inventory everything that was left in there and clean it top to bottom. And of course, when there is work to be done, Jacques is not going to stick around. Don't think I'm slouching. I'm over here cleaning the dinette. That might be a problem.
Yeah, put it out back on the thing at the end. I'll put it outside.
I want to see what's under that.
Yeah, there might be something. Let's see. I'll pull them up for you.
I went exploring, and yes, I am hanging upside down in a hole at the bottom of the seat, trying to see what's under here. So your guess is as good as mine as to which way is up right now. Oh my God. There's an old juice bottle that is rotted out, and two more freaking... So we need to pull that drawer out in front and clear that out. That's nasty. There might be some rot there. It's really hard to tell. And then down there's another hole. And I can't see what's in it. I can't get close enough without moving. But this goes all the way to the hole, man.
I would think so.
We need a cabinet door right here.
You can do that.
Can you give me something that I could use to grab? Like, I don't know, a stick or something.
Where am I going to find a fucking stick?
Up your ass.
Really, I'm in a goddamn galley of a fucking boat.
Give me a pair of tongs out of the fucking, or a spatula. Come on.
Well,
You gotta have...
I'm stunned. I'm not thinking about tongs. I'm thinking about cleaning.
I don't know if that will work. But
Those are tongs. Careful, Catherine. Just forget it.
Nope, they're paper towels, and they're pretty nappy.
I think so.
Here you go.
No bueno.
No bueno. Okay, well, At least now we know where we can put canned goods and
Exactly.
long-term storage.
Absolutely.
So after working on the galley all day, I was more than happy to go sit on the aft deck and watch the beautiful boats go by while I had a beer and ate some barbecue. And it's another beautiful morning on the river, and I am loving the boat traffic as usual. And Jim will be here in a little while, and we are going to start back in on the air conditioning plumbing today. As the hoses have come in now, I ordered these on Amazon. I'll put a post in the link. You can applaud me or lambaste me, whichever you decide. It's okay. Anyways, so we're going to remove all these old black hoses and rusty corroded valves and replace them with this new hose, which is rated for 200 psi up to 149 degree temperature. So it had the exact same specs as the expensive hose from the boat store. So we'll see if this works out. And then also Jim is going to build a drainage system for the air conditioning units themselves. Apparently they had never been drained properly, so the condensation was just running all over the units. And that's probably what caused most of the water damage in the generator room. You want me to move that, or you want that?
No, I need that to
lean on.
Both hands on the hose clamp, and I can't support my body.
Oh, God,
by
yeah.
leaning across with my arms out. It makes too much.
Yeah, it's hard.
And it's just in a tremendously bad spot. I don't know how they got these things on here.
Hot dog, you know what I just found?
What?
A new controller.
Air conditioning?
Yeah, SMX2.
Where it's at? Is it in a package?
It was in a bubble wrap, still has the label on the back, but that doesn't mean anything. Looks new.
Is it been opened?
Here. Look.
Okay, the tangs look good.
Yeah, it looks new.
Oh, that doesn't look new though.
Oh.
Well, we can always try it though as a test.
Works, doesn't shut off. That's an old one. You could tell that one's old because it's got crap all over it.
And at least they tagged it.
Yeah. So.
It's good that they tagged won't shut off.
Yeah, they're a big fan of sticky notes. Or they were a big fan of sticky notes.
That's good.
So, what else is in here? Fram extra guard oil filter. Relay trigger for there's a relay trigger for the pump. Maybe the AC guy can use that. Capacitor. All kinds of interesting stuff in here.
Okay. Behind me at my feet is the end of the new hose.
Okay.
Can you
Yes, sir.
in my hand?
Yep. Let me find it. Oh, there it is. There's the end. There you go.
Okay.
And let me get it out from under your feet. There you go.
And see if you can pay me like 3 or 4 feet.
Sure.
Okay.
That should be
All right.
about
That's
what
fine.
you need.
That's absolutely fine. Okay.
Okay. Yeah, that stuff doesn't kink.
So far, yeah.
But it's already looking a lot better in here, so.
Yeah, what I gotta do is get these drains to stop. You see these little pipe fittings here?
Yeah.
You're supposed to put a plastic elbow, or hose barb in there.
Right.
Put the hose to it, then let it drain into a tube to
Right.
drain in the bilge.
Right.
Right now, they're just pouring out on wherever.
I know, and rusting everything up.
Right, because they didn't want to
Take the time to do it right.
Right, yeah.
Yeah.
And I have no idea whether this air conditioning guy come in and not like what I'm doing, I have no idea.
Well,
I'm just putting all new hoses and eliminating all these stupid valves everywhere.
the valves were his main concern.
Okay, well, we're
Really and
eliminating
truly,
those.
because they were all
Clusterfuck, yeah.
well, he said they were corroded shut,
Yep,
and he was afraid he'd break them trying to open them.
yep, that's a good possibility.
So
Okay.
with those gone, I think he'll be okay. If he sees that the plumbing is all correct now, I think
Well,
he'll be okay to come back and do
coming
the
in
AC
with the
part.
pipes is, I don't think, a problem.
Yeah. You want me to hold your light?
No.
So I had to step away for a little bit because I have to also, do my own job. And so I went back to work for a little while. And when I came back, Jim had all the old hoses out and was ready to start doing some cleaning so that he could start building the AC condensation drain system. I'm going to step over your head.
Okay.
So don't stick your hand up suddenly and trip me. All right, you ready for it?
Yeah.
All right, there's that.
Okay.
And then,
All right, fits.
yeah, when you take the feet off, it really fits better.
Yep. Okay. That's
And
great.
there's the hose, one
Okay.
end. There is
All right.
the other end.
All right.
And all kinds of
Okay.
crap just came out.
I am going to. I'm going to get it on backwards.
All right, so can I take all this hose up to and toss it off to the grass so you can throw it in the back of the truck?
Yep. Yep. You
All
sure
right.
can.
I'll start doing that.
Okay. And I'm going
I'm
to
gonna
suck the water out of here.
All right, I'm
And
gonna.
then if it doesn't come back, that means we got all our air conditioning stuff. Okay, I'm going to give you. Can I give this back to you?
The plug.
I want to give you the three-way that's plugged into the outlet box.
Oh,
If
sure.
I can get it out. Okay.
All right. Yep.
Because I got a four-way here, I can just plug everything
Yeah.
I need into that.
I laid it on top of the yellow toolbox in case you need it again. All right, stepping over. Don't stick your hand up for anything. Oh, watch your head. I almost knocked that hose off. Didn't realize. Caught it with my foot. Okay. So normally the air conditioning system would drain into the sump box for the forward heads, but sadly that generator is sitting on top of the access, and so we're not going to be able to drain them into that sump box. And so Jim built this PVC pipe drainage system that will run it into the portside bilge, and then I will have to use a bilge dry pump to get the water and keep the water out of there. But definitely better than draining all over the floor in the generator room. So that's going to wrap it up this week. We got all the plumbing done now for the air conditioning system. It is time for an AC professional to step in. I have been talking to some places that are interested in coming in and doing the work. So hopefully they won't take one look at the situation and hightail it off the boat. And I'm going to close up this week's video with a very special little tidbit. Another crazy blonde bought a 57-foot catamaran and restored it after it was storm damaged by a hurricane. And I was lucky enough to get invited to ride along on the day they moved it out of the Lauderdale Marine Center to her new boat slip. So enjoy.
We'll see you at the other dock.
And here we go. So many beautiful boats. They make good boats too. So I've seen some. Now there's my beautiful old beater. That's what I call her, the old beater. Thank you. So she's just the perfect size.
Finally got one that's the perfect size.
She's the perfect size.
Because don't we always want one that's just a little bigger?
Are we still talking about boats?